Hi everyone, Frederick here from Simple System Trading. This video is about the free study that's in the free bundle on the Forex Factory calendar study. The study was updated a few months ago, and I will explain a bit on how that works. We all might know Forex Factory, the calendar there. They have news items that are stated by currency and impact, and there's a time, and that information is available in my free study. If you look at the free study, there's a few settings. Set it to enable, and you can filter news items based on currencies. So if you're only interested in certain news items on a certain currency pair, you can filter them. You can also filter them on impact. I don't really like the impact Forex Factory uses, but depends on which product you trade. I just use all. You can show the news items for today or for the whole week. So the whole week could become a bit long. We look at that. You'll see that well, a week is short now, but if you put it in on a Monday, you could see the whole week. You can also say I want to see all news items, so this will show all news items for the week. It's going to be too long to show everything. So you might want to filter that, and I always like to do show the news items for today and the future news items. And if you use future news items, there is a option there to use alerts. And this only works on the future items for today. So if we set this to yes, then within the alert window, in this case 10 minutes, an alert will be fired, and the color will be changed to a different color. There's also a forward projection on the news item, which is a subgraph background will be colored. You can of course change this to a transparent black background if you want. See, looks a bit different. What now happens, it's within a 10-minute time frame, so the alert is already fired. If I'm not mistaken, we'll have the alert manager here, and you see that this alert was fired already. So the alert happened, the forward projection is still valid. When the bar is actually finished on this 9 o'clock time frame, so we are using a 1 minute, so at 9:01 this forward projection will be moved to the next news item, and the alert will fire at 9:35, which is 10 minutes before the next news item, and that continues for all the news items. So that's a new feature implemented in this free study. What I recommend to do is launch this study on a somewhat larger time frame chart, so you are still aware of the ongoing news item, because this is a 1 minute chart, but if the 1 minute is over, news might still be in effect for the on the current chart a couple of minutes after 9 o'clock. So you might want to keep in account which news item is currently active. So I recommend using 15-minute chart or maybe a bit higher, so you can still be aware of all the news items that are in effect. That's the quick rundown on the study. If you have any questions, just hit me up via Twitter, email, and I will try to answer your questions. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.